5 reasons for bad breath. Bad breath can occur for so many different reasons, but I want you to listen carefully because I'm gonna list 5 most common reasons for your bad breath. And if you listen until the last one, which is number 5, you might find out why do you have a bad breath. I'm Dr. Olga Dolghier, Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry here. I'm board certified pediatric dentist, and this is my field of practice, bad breath. I hear from the parents all the time. Every time moms comes in and she whispered to my ear, Dr. Olga, why his breath stinks? She does not want to tell in front of the kid, but she wants to know why her kid has a bad breath. And it's kind of a tricky topic and difficult to say. So let's talk about it. What are the top 5 reasons for bad breath? Okay, number 1. Cavities. If you have mouth full of cavities, food gets stuck there, bacteria stays in there, and then you unintentionally gonna smell that kind of a cavity smell. It has distinct smell. Number 2 is gum disease. If you're not brushing, if you have not seen a dentist for like 2 years, 3 years, and who knows what, you will develop most likely build up on your gums, and most likely you're gonna have gingivitis. Gingivitis is when your gums get puffy, inflamed from not brushing well, and then it can go into periodontitis. It's when you lose the bones around your teeth, which is more serious condition. Periodontitis has distinct smell because there is certain bacteria which cause periodontitis. So you have to be mindful that if you have some kind of unusual odor which you never had before, have not been to a dentist for years, you feel like your teeth look longer, your gums are bleeding, be aware of it. You probably have gum disease, gum problems. So see your dentist for that as well. Number 3 is what you eat or what you drink. Sometimes we get coffee smell, and that's very common. There's not much you can do except rinsing your mouth with that. Also dry mouth, we're gonna put it all together and read this on number 3. Dry mouth is very common. If you sleep with a wide open mouth, you wake up in the morning, you want to kiss your spouse or say hello, and you have that very strong morning smell. Most likely you have a dry mouth because dry mouth makes all the area in your mouth extremely kind of very dry, and then bacteria grows overnight in your mouth more. You don't produce enough saliva during nighttime, and then you have distinct odor. Number 4 is actually a very important one. Number 4 is the balance of your mouth, your pH balance. Some of us are more prone to cavities, some are more less prone to cavities. And what kind of bacteria we have, what pH we have, and it determines actually the smell, and it comes from your tongue actually. The tongue is actually determining factor. Usually bacteria grows on your tongue, so it's a good idea to kind of rinse your mouth, make sure you have moisture in your mouth, and maybe scrub your tongue at least before bedtime. If you see a lot of white coating on your tongue, you might have yeast infection of your mouth or some GI tract problems of your mouth. That would be another very common reason for bad breath. And you've been sticking around for number 5? Number 5 is actually a representation of your gastrointestinal tract, GI tract. If you have problems with your stomach or you have reflux, is when the content of your stomach acid goes up through your esophagus and actually you have teeth erosion. A lot of times these people will have distinct smell from the mouth. So very common and very important to know. So first start with your dentist. Go to your dentist, check for cavities, check for gum disease, how much saliva you produce, make sure you don't have bad bacteria in your mouth. Then talk to your physician and say, do I have GERD, gastroesophageal reflux, which can be actually presented in the mouth with the bad breath. So those are common reasons. Share with me, do you have a bad breath? What do you do about it? Stay tuned for more videos about dry mouth and what to do with it. And I want to share a secret with you. Share this video with someone who really need to watch it maybe, and you're kind of embarrassed to tell them. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you again.